In this video, I am going to show how to remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve. Just mess around with this tools so that you can fit your needs. If you think you will not make it, then go ahead online and pay monthly subscriptions for they tools you're not going to need ever. Just forget that phrase and mess with these mighty tools you got.
Bruh.
If enjoyed, smash the subscribe button for more videos like this on this channel.